For larger companies, it's usually they think of getting the robots to actually get rid of people and thus increase their profit, whereas they shouldn't aim for that. They should aim at a higher productivity with their own people so that we can actually get more parts out instead of just lowering the cost. Because usually there's a lot of demand for parts, and especially for quality parts, but we are not sure on how to increase the number of parts, so many people will just try and cut costs. I think we actually need to look at it differently like that. So we actually look at adding the robots to the workforce instead of replacing people by robots in the workforce. Because it's not about just cutting costs, because we need to produce more parts every day. There's new ideas, more people on this planet. So what we're looking at is more as increasing the productivity and the number of parts. They're different every day. I mean, it used to be mass production for a lot of technical stuff, whereas now usually people think, I got a solution to this problem, I've got a home, can we machine this part? Yeah, I only need one or two. Whereas it used to be you buy something you can find in the store, which were probably 100,000, 2 million made. So we also need to adapt to that and actually be able to machine different parts with the people and the robots, because we need the people to change over to new parts. We need different tooling, different setups, but we can use the robots afterwards, after we've done the first part, to actually take the job so we can work on the next product we gotta make.